Welcome to Easy English Studio. Hello, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today we have a very special and fun conversation for you. We are going to watch two friends spending a day at the shopping mall. This is a simple and relaxing story that is perfect for English beginners. Don't worry at all. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small and fun question for you. Please listen carefully to the conversation to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What color shoes does she buy at the mall? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section below. Even one simple sentence is perfectly fine. For example, you can write, she buys shoes. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. So don't be shy. Just write it. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, wait.
Oh, hi, Tom. I didn't see you there.
Hi, Emma. Where are you going?
I'm going to the shopping mall. What about you?
Really? Me too. What a coincidence.
That's so funny. Are you going alone, Tom?
Yes, I'm alone today. What about you, Emma?
I'm alone too. Let's go together.
Great idea. I'd love that.
Perfect. Let's go then.
Okay, let's go.
I'm so excited. I love them all.
Me too, Emma. I always have fun at the mall.
Same here. Okay, let's walk fast. I can't wait.
Ha ha. Okay, let's go, Emma.
Wow. Oh my goodness. This mall is so big.
I know, Emma. It's huge. I always forget how big it is.
Look at all these shops. There are so many.
Yes, there is a clothes shop, a shoe shop, a book shop, a toy shop.
And look over there. There is a food court too.
Yes, I love the food court here, Emma. The food is really good.
Me too. But first, let's go shopping.
Good idea. So, what do you want to buy today, Emma?
I really need new shoes, Tom. My old shoes are very old now. They are broken.
Oh no, that's not good. You need new shoes then.
Yes, I've been waiting to buy new shoes for a long time.
Well, today is the perfect day then.
Yes, I'm so happy I ran into you today, Tom.
Me too, Emma. This is going to be a fun day.
Definitely. Okay, where is the shoe shop?
I think it's on the second floor. Let's take the escalator.
Okay, let's go.
Here is the escalator. Let's go up.
Great. I love escalators, Tom. They are so convenient.
Ha ha. Yes, they are much easier than stairs.
That's true. Do you come to this mall often, Tom?
Yes, quite often. Maybe once or twice a month. What about you, Emma?
I come here sometimes. Maybe once a month.
I see. What do you usually buy here, Emma?
Usually clothes or shoes. Sometimes books. I love books.
Oh, really? I love books too. Which bookshop do you go to, Emma?
There is a nice bookshop on the third floor. Do you know it, Tom?
Yes, I know that shop. The books there are very good.
Yes, and the prices are not too expensive.
That's true. Maybe we can go there after the shoe shop.
Oh, yes. Good idea, Tom. I want to look at some new books.
Me too. Okay, here we are. Second floor.
Great. Now let's find the shoe shop.
I think it's just down this way. Come on, Emma.
Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Look at this shop, Tom. It's so beautiful.
Wow, there are so many shoes here. Look at all of them.
I know. They're all so pretty. I don't know where to look first.
Take your time, Emma. We have all day.
You're right. Okay, let me think. What kind of shoes do I want?
What kind of shoes do you need, Emma?
I need everyday shoes. Shoes I can wear every day. Comfortable shoes.
I see. So, something simple and comfortable?
Yes, exactly. And I want them to be pretty too.
Of course. What color do you want, Emma?
I want white shoes, Tom. I love white shoes. White shoes go with everything.
That's true. White shoes are very popular now, too.
Yes, and they look so clean and fresh.
Look over there, Emma. I can see some white shoes on that shelf.
Oh, yes. Let me go and look at them.
Come on, let's go look together.
Okay.
Hello, welcome. Can I help you today?
Hello. Yes, please. I'm looking for white shoes. Everyday shoes.
Of course, we have many white shoes. Please follow me.
Thank you so much.
Great. Let's see what they have, Emma.
Here are some of our white shoes. These are very popular.
Oh, these ones are really pretty. Can I try them?
Of course. What size are you?
I'm a size 7, please.
Size 7. One moment, please.
Those shoes look really nice, Emma.
I know, Tom. I love them already. I hope they fit well.
Here you are. Size 7.
Thank you. Let me try them on.
Take your time, Emma.
Okay. Let me put them on. Oh, they feel so good.
How do they feel, Emma?
They feel amazing, Tom. Very comfortable. Not too tight, not too loose.
Let me see. Stand up and walk a little.
Okay. How do they look, Tom?
Wow, they look really great on you, Emma.
Really? You're not just saying that.
No, I mean it, Emma. They look perfect.
I'm so happy. I love them.
They look wonderful on you. Very nice.
Thank you. I think I will buy these.
Good choice, Emma. You should definitely buy them.
Yes, I've decided. I'm buying these shoes today.
Great. I'm so happy for you, Emma.
Thank you, Tom. I'm so excited. Excuse me. I'd like to buy these shoes, please.
Of course, great choice. Those are very popular shoes.
Thank you. I really love them.
Shall I put your old shoes in a bag?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. So your total today is $45, please.
$45. Okay, here you are.
Thank you very much. Let me get your change.
Thank you.
Here is your change. $5, and here is your bag.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new shoes. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Great. Now you have your new shoes, Emma.
Yes, Tom. I'm so happy. I love them so much.
You should wear them now, Emma.
Oh, that's a great idea. Let me put them on right now.
Haha. Okay. I'll wait.
Okay, done. How do I look, Tom?
You look great, Emma. The shoes look amazing.
Thank you, Tom. I feel so good right now.
Haha, I am glad. Now, where do you want to go next, Emma?
Let's go to the bookshop, Tom. I want to look at some books.
Perfect. Let's go. Here we are. The bookshop.
Oh, I love this shop so much, Tom. It smells like books in here.
I know, Emma. I love that smell too.
There are so many books. I don't know where to start.
What kind of books do you like, Emma?
I like storybooks, Tom. I love reading stories. What about you?
I like learning books. Books about history and science.
Oh, interesting. Do you read every day, Tom?
Yes, I try to read every day. Even just a little bit.
Me too. Reading every day is very good for you.
Yes, it helps your English too, Emma.
That's so true. Oh, look at this book, Tom. This looks really interesting.
What is it about, Emma?
It's a story about a girl who travels around the world alone.
Oh, wow, that does sound interesting.
Yes, I want to read it. Let me check the price.
How much is it, Emma?
It's $12, Tom. That's not too expensive.
Yes, that's a good price. You should get it.
I think I will. What about you, Tom? Do you see any books you like?
Yes. Look at this one, Emma. It's about the history of ancient Egypt.
Oh, that sounds really cool, Tom.
I've always wanted to learn about ancient Egypt. I'm going to buy this.
Great. We both found good books today.
Yes, this is a great day, Emma.
It really is. Okay, let's go pay for our books.
Yes, let's go. Okay, Emma, books are done. Now I am really hungry.
Me too, Tom. My stomach is making noises. Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha. Same. Let's go to the food court.
Yes, let's go. I can't wait to eat something.
Here we are. The food court. Look at all the food, Emma.
Oh, wow. There are so many different foods here.
Yes, there is pizza, burgers, noodles, sushi, sandwiches.
Everything looks so good, Tom. I don't know what to eat. I know what I want. I want a burger. I always want a burger when I'm hungry.
Okay, Tom. What about you, Emma? What do you want to eat?
I want ice cream, Tom. I always want ice cream.
Ha ha. Just ice cream, Emma. That's not enough.
You're right. Okay, I'll get a sandwich first, then ice cream.
That sounds much better, Emma. Okay, let's order.
Good idea, Tom. You order your burger and I'll order my sandwich.
Okay, let's meet at that table by the window. It looks nice.
Perfect. I'll see you there, Tom.
Here I am, Emma. I got my burger and some fries, too.
And I got my sandwich, and look, Tom, I already got my ice cream too.
Ha ha. You really love ice cream, Emma.
I really do. Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat.
Mmm. This sandwich is so good, Tom. The bread is so soft.
And my burger is amazing, Emma. Here, try some of my fries.
Oh, thank you, Tom. These fries are so good.
Right? They are so crispy. Here, let me try your sandwich, Emma.
Of course. Here you go, Tom.
That is really good, Emma. The vegetables are so fresh.
I told you, Tom, everything here is delicious.
Yes, the food here is always so good.
Now let me try my ice cream, Tom. Oh my goodness. This is so sweet and cold.
Ha ha. Look at your face, Emma. You look so happy.
I am happy, Tom. Ice cream always makes me happy.
Ha ha ha. Me too, actually. Can I try some, Emma?
Of course, Tom. Here.
Mmm, that is really good. What flavor is that, Emma?
It's strawberry, Tom. My favorite.
It's delicious. I should have gotten ice cream too.
Ha ha! Next time, Tom.
Definitely next time. Okay, this has been such a great day, Emma.
I know, Tom. We went shopping, we bought shoes, we bought books, and now we're eating delicious food.
A perfect day, Emma.
A perfect day, Tom. I'm so happy I ran into you today.
Me too, Emma. This was really fun.
Well, Tom, I think it's time to go home now.
Yes, it's getting late, Emma. We've been here for a long time.
I know. Time went by so fast today.
That's what happens when you're having fun, Emma.
That's so true. Okay, let's go.
Look at you, Emma. New shoes and a new book.
Haha. Yes, Tom. It was a very successful day.
You bought shoes, you bought a book. What a great shopper, Emma.
Haha. Thank you, Tom. And you bought a book too.
Yes, I'm excited to start reading it tonight.
Me too, Tom. I'm going to start my book tonight as well.
Maybe we can talk about our books next time we meet, Emma.
Oh, that's a great idea, Tom. Like a little book club.
Exactly. Ha ha.
I love that idea, Tom. Okay, I had such a wonderful time today.
Me too, Emma. This was really a great day.
We should do this again soon, Tom.
Definitely. Let's come back next weekend, Emma.
Yes, next weekend. And next time, I want to look at the clothes shops too.
Ha ha ha. Of course you do, Emma.
And I want to try the pizza at the food court, Tom.
Yes, the pizza looked really good.
It did. Okay, there's so much to do next time, Tom.
We need to come back many times, Emma.
That's perfectly fine with me, Tom. I love them all.
Me too, Emma. Okay, take care. See you next weekend.
See you next weekend, Tom. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Emma. Enjoy your new shoes.
Haha, I will, Tom. Thank you. And that is the end of today's conversation. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun and easy to understand. Now let me ask the question one more time. What color shoes did she buy at the mall? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments right now. Even one simple sentence is perfect. For example, she bought shoes. By writing your answer in English, you practice your English, and that is one of the best ways to improve your English fast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Studio. I make new English conversation videos every week. So if you don't want to miss them, subscribe now and turn on the bell. Also, leave a comment below and tell me, do you like going to shopping malls? Write your answer in English. Any answer is fine. All right, everyone, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching Easy English Studio. I really hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye-bye.